Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to store XRP on MetaMask. MetaMask is designed for Ethereum virtual machine compatible networks, which means the native XRP ledger isn't directly supported. However, you can interact with XRP through its wrapped version, known as WXRP. This wrapped token exists on EVM-compatible blockchains, allowing you to manage it within your MetaMask wallet. We'll guide you through the necessary steps. To get WXRP, you have a couple of options. You can acquire it by swapping other cryptocurrencies on a decentralized exchange that operates on an EVM-compatible network, like Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum. Alternatively, you can use a trusted bridging service to convert your native XRP into WXRP. Always verify the legitimacy of any platform you use. Once you have your WXRP, open your MetaMask wallet and ensure you're connected to the correct EVM-compatible network where your WXRP resides. Next, you'll need to import the WXRP token by adding its specific contract address. After successfully adding the token, your WXRP balance will appear in your wallet, ready for management. When dealing with wrapped tokens, always double-check the contract address to avoid potential scams and ensure you're interacting with the legitimate WXRP. Also, be mindful of network fees, which can vary significantly depending on the blockchain and network congestion. For more helpful tips and other great deals, including a link for some incredibly durable socks, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.